Hey guys, JdizzEats, and we are at Quiznos sub, joining on their 6-inch Lobster Classic. And with Lobster Classic, we had some lobster and some lettuce. And for my sub, I had the Italian herb. So in there, you choose your sub, and then there's either option to put vegetables in there. So I put lettuce, and then this is what it looks like. So can't really wait to taste this bad boy up, and let's get into it. First taste, guys. I don't know how it feels like, guys. It's not the fresh lobster or lobster, but the lobster, I think it has some spice in there and it looks creamy, and the lettuce gives it that crunch. Right, another taste, boys. I taste the crab, and that tastes kind of a little bit fishy. So it's not the freshest you can get, but either way, I think this is not okay and not bad.
What do you rate it?
What's the difference of Quiznos and Subway?
Well, Subway is more, you can customize your sub more, you have more like varieties and options, but then like Quiznos, you get like pre-built options, so like they already have like the toppings and what they're going to put on it. So that's what makes Quiznos different from Subway, but Quiznos is still pretty good, just less options.
Yeah, I gotta agree too.
I don't know.
What I think about the Lobster Classic, it's pretty nice, not bad, creamy. It kind of tastes like crab, but not the freshest. It tastes cold, and then the lettuce got a crunch. So is that Italian herb sub, got that crusty and crunchy. So it's really not bad for me. But in Quiznos, less options, but in Subway has more options. But I think the quality in here is way better than Subway, in my opinion. Just me. But anyway, guys, that'll be it for the video. If you do enjoy, leave a like, subscribe, comment, and share. And guys, it's JdizzEats, and see you guys next video.
Bye.
Bye.